Sophie, what's in the box? Sophie, what's in the box? Rudy, you better get the box. Rudy, look. Look, Rudy. Look. Here, what's in the box? What's in the box, Rudy? Get the box. Rudy, what's in the box? That's your Christmas gift. That's one of them. Rudy. Sophie, get it. Get it, Soph. Rudy, what are you doing? Rudy. Rudy. Rudy's a good boy. Rudy. Where's Daddy, Rudy? Rudy, where's Grandma and Grandpa? Where's Grandma and Grandpa? Is Grandma and Grandpa coming over, Rudy? Look. Rude. Look. There's something in there for you. Sophie knows there's a biscuit in there, Rude. Sophie, want me to help you? Come on, let me help you.